Understanding print resources in English learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term print resources in English. This phrase is often used in various contexts, especially in education and research. Understanding what it means can be very helpful in your English language journey. So, let's dive in. Print resources refer to any information or content that is available in printed form. This includes books, newspapers, magazines, journals, pamphlets, and brochures. Unlike digital resources, print resources are tangible and can be physically handled. They have been a traditional and vital part of learning and information gathering for centuries. Print resources are incredibly valuable in language learning. They provide authentic material for reading and understanding the language in its written form. By reading a variety of print materials, you can improve your vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. Additionally, print resources often provide contextual knowledge that is crucial for understanding the nuances of a language. Advantages. Tangible learning. Holding a physical book or paper can enhance the learning experience. Focused attention. With print resources, there's less likelihood of distraction compared to digital mediums. Retention. Studies suggest that reading from print can lead to better retention of information. Disadvantages. Accessibility. They are not as easily accessible as digital resources, especially for remote learners. Cost and space. Print resources can be expensive and require physical space for storage. Environmental impact. Printing requires paper, which has environmental considerations. To make the most of print resources, try these tips. 1. Diversify your reading. Explore different types of print materials to expose yourself to various writing styles. 2. Take notes. Write down new words, phrases, and concepts. 3. Practice regularly. Consistent reading helps in better language acquisition. 4. Combine with digital tools. Use digital tools for pronunciation and listening practice alongside your print resources. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and use of print resources in English language learning. Remember, combining print and digital resources can create a robust learning experience. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.